Hi, and welcome to Unlimited3D. In this video, we'll be showing you the complete step-by-step process of creating and publishing a 3D model. First, start by creating a new project and filling in all the necessary information. Continue by creating a new solution within the project and again fill in the necessary information. We've now entered the editor where the editing and modifying process will occur. The next step is to upload your 3D model. When the uploading process is complete, your model will show up in the editor. We are now ready to set up the 3D model. First, we're going to set up the ground shadow. Select the ground node by either clicking on the ground object or by selecting it from the node hierarchy. Then, create a new material and name it whatever you want. Upload the ground image as a diffuse map. Set the material to be transparent. In our example, we'll be hiding these two parts in the node hierarchy. We will now create new materials that will be used on the seat. As before, we will now upload the texture for the material. Now we can set the proper tiling. The next step will be to set the roughness of the material. We will first set the suitable parameter and then add the roughness map. Afterwards, we need to upload the normal and ambient occlusion maps. With this step, the setting up of the first material is finished. We're now creating a new material for the same part of the chair, so it will later be available for the configuration. Click on the clone button and name it as you wish. In our example, we'll only be changing the color of this material. From this point on, the previously shown process will be used for creating all further materials. All materials and parts have now been successfully set and created. We will now be adding final touches to the lighting by clicking on Lights in the sidebar to the right. Each type of light can be individually edited. The last step is to define the start scene. In our example, we'll hide the two parts that we previously hid during the working process. In order to prevent losing your progress, don't forget to periodically save your work by clicking on the save icon on the top. You can preview your work by going to the preview section to see how your work will look on different screen sizes. Once published, your solution can be easily embedded onto any web page using either iframe or API calls. You will receive an email informing you that your solution is published. Each time you publish a solution, make sure to replace the code you previously placed with the new one. That's it! We've gone through the entire process of creating and publishing a 3D model. Thanks for watching! We're looking forward to having you as a part of our community.